Ladies and gentlemen, wow, that was a surprise. And now let's welcome, of course, Mr. Patrick Matilla.
Meron din sila.
Siyempre si Patrick for sure hindi magpapatalo to. Nalalaman ko guys. That was Patrick Matilla. And now, ladies and gentlemen, before I introduce this very important person, this event will not be happening without him. Ladies and gentlemen, please all welcome the superhero of the family. We have the father of the Mr. Alan Matilla. Ladies and gentlemen.
Mom and I are a seeing you in that dress. Our little girl is now grown, and I remember how sweet when you danced on my feet. Now you stand on your own. You'll always be my little girl, my whole life, my whole world, my little girl. This dance is more than just a dance. It gives me one more chance to show the world how proud I am of you. And as we dance, dance around this room like we did when you were two. My little girl, this dance is just for you.
And now, here's the twist, guys! Bini din kaya?
Shoes on, get up in the morning, cup of milk, let's rock and roll. Kick up, kick the drum, rolling on like a rolling stone. Sing song when I'm walking on, jump up to the top of the brown. Ding dong, call me on my phone, nice tea, I don't get my ping pong.
Wala ba tayong hapon? So gentlemen, please come up on stage and join me. Let's